But first, Florida's biggest property insurer under federal investigation. Citizens Property Insurance currently holding more than 1.2 million policies in Florida. Thank you for joining us tonight. I'm Matt Austin.
I'm Ginger Gadsden. Tonight, a Senate committee questioning whether the state-backed insurer has enough money in the bank to pay out claims in the event of a major disaster. News 6's Troy Campbell joins us now live in studio with a look at why this could impact anyone with property insurance. Troy.
Well, in this letter, the U.S. Senate Budget Committee, they expressed concern that the state-run insurer called Citizens Insurance, they're concerned that they have more policies than they can actually cover. Now, this letter is being submitted in a list of questions as fears grow the state could turn to the federal government for a bailout. The U.S. Senate Budget Committee addressing Governor DeSantis, State Insurance Commissioner Michael Yaworski, and Citizens Insurance CEO Tim Serio, demanding answers regarding the financial strain the state-run insurer has not only on Florida, but potentially the federal government. The U.S. Senate Budget Committee specifically points to a 2018 Cambridge University study, where it estimates the cost to reach more than $1 trillion if a major hurricane hits Metro Miami and the Panhandle. News 6 investigator Louis Bolden pressed Tim Serio regarding lowering the amount of policies it writes when he first became CEO.
Citizens has ballooned to the largest insurer in the state with about 1.17 million policies.
Is the goal to purge as many policies as possible from Citizens?
I do think purge is a tough term because we don't want to be draconian in the approach.
But Serio admits there is a lot less angst amongst lawmakers and less liability on taxpayers when the company is around 450,000 policies.
Over what period of time do you think it will take you to get down to that 450?
It's going to take 18 to 24 months to see significant improvement. It could take longer for us to get down to 450.
The letter also requests copies of all communication Citizens has had with the governor and other state officials regarding their plan to lower the amount of policies it writes. The committee also asked, quote, has Citizens contemplated asking for a federal bailout? Has Citizens discussed the possibility of a federal bailout with Governor DeSantis?
But again, the message does seem to be clear from the legislature and the governor, and we need to return to being the insurer of last resort. But if you are with Citizens and while you are with Citizens, we're going to take good care of you.
Citizens says it is currently working to transfer policies over to private insurance companies who can offer the coverage no more than 20% higher than the rate Citizens is offering. It's also important to note Republican Senator Rick Scott is listed in the names of the Republicans demanding that Governor DeSantis and Citizens Insurance address their concerns in that letter. Matt.
Troy Campbell, thank you.